Hey, and welcome to day 14. You're 2 weeks in. Awesome. My daughter is sleeping right outside of frame, so we'll see how this goes, and we're gonna get right into it. So Pilates ball or toilet paper roll, either is going to be perfectly acceptable. One of these days I'm actually just gonna use a toilet paper roll to show you how it's just as good. So actually, we're gonna start seated. We're gonna start with those pelvic floor activations. We're just gonna come right back to only focusing on the pelvic floor. If you feel really good about the pelvic floor and lifting it and lowering it with the breath, then go ahead and add the navel in as you lift the pelvic floor. Let's just do a few just focusing on the pelvic floor. So as you inhale, relaxing your pelvic floor. Exhale, lift. In all four directions. We've talked about this before. So like you're holding a Kleenex and you lift it and like it all comes up, right? So inhale, relax. Exhale, lift. Sits bones come together. Relax, inhale. Exhale, lift. Two more. One more. Rest. I had to take a second there to make sure I was like fully relaxed before I did the exhale. Let's do some of those fast. So they're not connected to the breath. We just lift for 1 second and lower for 1 second. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We lift and lower. Just for about 1 second each, breathing normally. Let's do 6 more on your own time. And let it go. Good job. Awesome. We are coming on to the back. Don't need this yet. I'm just moving it out of my way. Coming onto your back. Coming onto your side. And then safely rolling onto your back. And now using that 360 breath with the core canister pump. So lifting the pelvic floor as we hug the navel in on the exhale. We're going to lift our knee. And with the opposite hand, you're just going to press into the knee just a little bit as you lift the pelvic floor and exhale, okay? Same side, we're gonna do 6 times. So big inhale, relax the pelvic floor, relax the belly. Exhale, lift. And lower, all on the exhale. 5 more. Inhale. Exhale, lift and press. Lower. Awesome, 4 more. One more. And rest. Just shake the hips out a little bit. We're gonna go right into the other side. Here we go. Relaxing the pelvic floor. Taking a big breath, inhale. Exhale, press the knee in. Lift the pelvic floor, hug the belly in. Continue the exhale and lower. 5 more. Three more. Last one. and relax. Good job. We're gonna go right back into those heel slides from yesterday. So hands are behind the head. Inhale, let everything go. Exhale, slide your heel out. And then slide it back in. 5 more on this side. Inhale. Four more. Two more. Last one. Other side. Nice job. Same exact thing. I'm gonna try to lower the sound of my breath so you can really do it on your own breath. So I'm not really gonna cue it too much. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Big inhale. And start with the other leg. Sliding it out, hugging the navel in, lifting the core. And then continuing the exhale as you slide the leg back in. 5 more. Four. And finish up and relax. You should audibly be able to hear your breath. I just wanted you to have a time to really focus in and follow your own breath in that moment. So we are going to grab the ball. Oh, I've got it right here. And I'm going to place it between my knees. Okay. And then the arms are going to start up high. I am going to pull them down, pulling the shoulder blades together at the same time. I am going to do that core canister pump. So it's going to be on the exhale, lifting the pelvic floor, hugging my navel in. As my arms come down, I'm going to lift into a glute bridge. Then from here, the arms are going to go back. I'm going to squeeze the ball. I'm going to release it and then lower it back down. All on the exhale. Here we go. So you can see me a little bit better. 3, 2, 1, inhale. Exhale, lift. Arms go back, squeeze the ball, release, and lower. All on the exhale. 5 more. Four more. Two more. Last one. Let's do one more. One of mine was not very good. I took an inhale as my hips lowered, and so I needed to make that one up for myself. Sorry, you got a bonus one. Okay, last thing here. We're going to move that ball out of the way. We're going to do a couple of those core canister holds. So you take an inhale and then lift the pelvic floor, hug the navel in, and then a small inhale, a light inhale, and a strong exhale. And we're going to try for 6 breaths and then 8. Here we go. So 1 big inhale. Exhale, lift the pelvic floor, hug the navel in. Light inhale, strong exhale as you hold. Continue to hold. And rest. Good job. I've gotten better at those, have you? I hope you have. I'm sure you have. Let's do one more with 8 breath cycles this time. So big inhale, relaxing everything. Exhale, lift the pelvic floor, hug the navel in. Hold it, light inhale, strong exhale. 7 more. And rest. Great job. Rolling onto your side. 1 big inhale up, stretching out to the side of the body to one way and stretching the other way. Exhale down. Grab your hands behind your back, keeping your neutral spine so we're not arching the back and we're not bending it, and then just stretching out the upper body. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. I'll see you tomorrow.